I'm Julia Kushemererwa Singa. I work with medical teams, which is in the humanitarian space. And in Uganda, we are serving in about 5 locations across the country and really providing healthcare for refugees and nationals in those host communities. At the moment, the Risk and Compliance Department is actually carrying out a risk registration for the entire organization, and that was a result of the work with IRMG. Also, in regard to SIA, we've been having discussions in terms of what procedures we need to improve, what standards we need to make sure are in place for us to have a safer work environment, not just for our staff, but also for the beneficiaries, the persons of concern. As an individual, the training has helped me to realize and to understand how you can move from having a complaint and move into investigating that complaint. And when the investigation is done, then you can take action, you can take disciplinary action. So I've been able to learn how to come up with the terms of reference for investigation, which is a major tool, because when you have it wrong at that point, the investigation will be lacking or it will be incomplete, and therefore it will not be useful to inform the next level of action. My organization, which is Medical Teams International, really will continue to grow. We will continue to improve where we have seen gaps. We will continue now to look at risk with a bigger lens, because before the training we were looking at a risk and it looked small. Incidentally, now it looks larger, which is not a bad thing, because it's good to know the issue as it is and then you're able to address it. So we will continue to grow, and we believe that because of the work of IRMG, because of these trainings that we have had, we will become a safer working space.
Anything else you'd like to add?
Yes, I would like to add that the work that the IRMG is doing is very noble. It's very credible, because if all organizations are able to realize and to implement the standards for safeguarding and risk management, we are going to have better programming, and we are going to have better NGOs and international NGOs. And what does that mean? That means that for a country as Uganda, we are able to host the refugees that we host in a much better way. We are more accountable for the resources that we are receiving, and we are also delivering great service.